Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video I will also show you how you can remove the sound from the video on your iPhone. Friends, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under this video and also write your comments, friends. So, let's get started. And please open up the gallery on your iPhone. After that, find the video you want to watch. Open it up. And now, in order to edit it, you'll need to click on this sign at the bottom where there are 3 bars. And as you can hear now, my video will have sound. Now friends, to remove the sound from the video, all you need to do is at the top on the left-hand side click on this volume sign right here. And as you can see, that sign is now crossed out. What does it mean that the video has no sound? You can check this very easily by clicking on the video. As you can see, there's no sound. To save the change, you'll need to click on the top right and you're done. Wait just a couple of seconds for the video to save like this. This is a very quick and simple method you can easily, friends, to remove the sound from the video on any iPhone. I really hope that this video helped you and was useful. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments by all means, and also subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye, everyone.